Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE range and it's giving you a bad line error. I mean, you're wondering what this is and how to get rid of it. So basically the bad line error happens when it's getting electricity obviously because it's on and it's giving you this error, but it's not getting the 240 that it needs, the 240 volts, it's only getting 120. So it's telling you that one of the lines is bad. So, there's a couple things you can do to get rid of this. First of all, you need to make sure you have 240. If you don't have 240 volts going to the range, it's going to give you this error, and you're going to need to have an electrician out or whatever to install the 240 instead of just the 120. If you know you've got it hooked up to 240 and it's still giving you this, then what you want to do is just go and check first of all, just check at the circuit box and turn the circuit off and turn it back on, because there might be something geeky going on where it's only one of the lines is working, and by resetting everything you'll get the electricity working again. But anyway, so basically that's it. It's because it's only getting 120 instead of the 240 that it needs, and so it's giving you this error. So I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.